Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker Channel here. I've resurfaced during the pandemic here. They've kind of loosened up some of the rules here in Dallas, so some of these restaurants are now open. I'm at the Hat Creek Burger Company. Let's go inside and try one of these burgers out. It's gonna be delicious. Violet, what do you think?
I think it's pretty good.
You've had a burger here before?
Yeah.
Well, I've never had one, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's great they have this jungle gym out here for the kids to play while you eat your burger. Oh, they got their milkshakes right here. Gotta order one up. The Dirty Worm. The Hat Creek story started in 2008. All this pandemic stuff has made me hungry. And there's my burger. And that's my burger. I only got the single patty, but I've heard it's really good. There's the French fries looking pretty tasty. It's a little windy though.
Oh no.
Pretty good. Let's get a soft bun. It's seasoned well, but it's not overly greasy. French fries are great. As you can see, it's pretty dead in here. This is like the first day, I think, or Friday was the first day that they reopened some restaurants with limited capacity. So we're anxious to get out of the house. It's been, what, almost 8 weeks of being in the lockdown, so getting back to business. One-handed pull-ups. Wow, you're strong. High five. Well, anyway, that was our adventure at the Hat Creek Burger Company. What'd you think, Violet?
It was good.
It was delicious, yeah. So anyway, hope you're all being safe out there during the virus pandemic, and we hope to get to see some bands soon. Hopefully some shows will start posting. Anyway, I want y'all to please subscribe if you like what you see, and I want y'all to have a most rocking day.
Bye.
The Dirty Worm.